Yeah, we out here on the Tennessee River today. Muddy river catfishing out here today. That's exactly what it is, muddy river catfishing. About 30-35 feet right there up under the bridge is a channel right there, about 35 feet as of right now. I got my Thundercat out today. Long range casting, I got a lot of room behind me so I can throw. We're using skipjack and we're using shad today. Got shad on one, got skipjack on the other. We're gonna have a contest to see which one get hit the first. Yeah, this video is called Tennessee River Monsters. Monster rod holders right there for the bank. And we on the Tennessee River. So this video is called Tennessee River Monsters. My homeboy Big C Catfishing gave me the idea of making these rod holders. Give you a good look at them. These are special rod holders right here. I got these from Steve Douglas and Terry Rogers at the Catfish Conference, right out of their hands. So these are some special rod holders right here. Team Catfish, 5,000 gold ring, 65-pound braid. £30 big game on the Thundercat. So we're gonna sit out here today. Good cloudy day, we're gonna see if we can get a bite. Stay tuned.